Hey guys, it's Heather. So today I'm going to be talking to you about this KitchenAid scoop. This is KitchenAid's cookie dough scoop, but it can be used for lots of other things. It is the perfect size for a cookie, but you could also use it for brownies, watermelon maybe. We are going to be using it for meatballs because we make meatballs a lot with our ground meat. And so this looks like it's going to be the perfect size for that. It is a very easy squeeze. That's one of the things I like about it. It has rubber on the sides here, and it's really easy to push. It's not like a really hard squeeze, so that's nice. Has the little mechanism in here to release your batter or whatever you have. You can also see right in there. So I really like this product overall. It's also made of stainless steel. It's made by KitchenAid, so it's meant to last. This is what the back looks like. So overall, I think this is going to work out really great for us. For the cookies, it's been good. I think it's going to be wonderful for meatballs and other uses as well. So I would highly recommend if you're looking for a new scoop for your kitchen. Thanks for watching my review.